Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am about to get in the shower. The baby is in the bath right now. I have to go grocery shopping today, so that's what I'm going to be doing. It is a vlog, so yes, I have another vlog for you guys. But I'm about to go ahead and get in the shower, and I want to show you guys what body wash I'm going to be using because I still want to incorporate hygiene stuff into my vlogs as well. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go show you guys what body wash I'm going to be using. I'll be back. So I'm going to be mixing the OGX Shea Soft and Smooth Body Wash. I'm going to be mixing this. Is it focusing? Yeah. I'm going to be mixing this with my Dove Restoring Coconut Butter and Cocoa Butter Pampering and Softening Skin Body Wash. And ever since I've mixed these two, I've come up with like the best body wash in the world. So yes, I'm going to mix these two for my shower this morning. It is 12:06. So yeah, I'm just getting my day started. We just woke up. We stayed up pretty late last night. Yesterday was New Year's Eve, so it is New Year's. So happy New Year's to you guys. I don't really have a lot of things to do today. I just need to go get groceries, and I look a mess. Honestly, I'm kind of digging my bun. And I also found my clips, you guys, like in my my shopping video I just did. I showed you guys the clips that I want to buy. I just found my other ones, so I'm so excited. I might do my hair up in like a little clip style that I really love to do, or I might just leave it like this. Depends on how I'm feeling. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower after she's done with her bath, and then I have to go get some groceries, and then I'm gonna stop by my mom's for a little bit and just hang out with her before she has to go to work. And that's pretty much it for today so far. Oh, before I go grocery shopping, I want to show you guys these bagels that I got from, what is it called? Aldi. If you guys have Aldi, you should try these bagels. So these are the bagels that I wanted to show you guys. They're the Bantam bagels. They have like cream cheese in the inside and it's whipped. So yes, these are so good. If I have time to stop by Aldi today, I'm gonna grab another one of these. But I had some this morning and they are amazing. You just put them in the oven for a little bit and then they're ready to eat. So yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys these because they're so good. So yeah, you have to like thaw them before you actually put them in the oven. But yes, I need to clean up my refrigerator as well. That pasta needs to get thrown away. That's our food from yesterday. Then I have some little organization stuff down here. These are really good as well. I get these from Aldi's. So I just find a lot of like easy snack stuff. Say hi. Just got done doing her hair. It's growing so much. Say hi, baby. Okay. Want to show them your outfit? You show me your shoes? Can I see your shoes? She's been like, her boots have been getting really beat up from daycare. As you guys can see, she had like 2 puff balls on here, and one of them's on, one of them's off. This whole thing is off of this boot. So I thought these were super cute when I got these from Burlington. But yeah, they're like all a mess now. So yeah. You want to say hi? Can you say hi? Can you say hi to my vlog, baby? Anaya, can you say hi? No? Okay, but we're about to go ahead and leave. I just got out the shower. I'm ready. She's ready. So yeah, we will probably see you guys once we get there. Okay. Don't say it. Say bye. Oh, say bye. Say bye. We're at Target. Coming here to grab some groceries. So yeah, we're gonna go in here and get some food, y'all. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna grab are these Suja juices. These are the Green Delight ones. They're the apple, banana, mango, lemon, and kale ones. I'm grabbing literally all of these, you guys. They're so good. My favorite juices from Suja. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab these. Alright, and I'm gonna pick up some more of these Lunchables for the baby. So I'm just gonna do the turkey and American. Unless this one doesn't have like the little, yeah, I'm gonna get this one instead because I don't like the ones that have the what is it called, the cookies in there, because I'm tired of her eating all those cookies. I'm tired of her eating all those chocolates that come in there. So I'm just gonna grab those. Okay, and I'm also gonna grab some creamer for my mom. She's lucky because I got the hazelnut that's not sugar-free. They always have the sugar-free hazelnut, which we do not like. Our favorite is usually hazelnut, but I've been hooked onto this caramel. And I do only like the Coffee Mate. This other one, the Delight, it's just disgusting. So I'm gonna grab us some coffee creamer. Okay, so I made a list of everything that I need to get. So far, made a list. I need to get some waters. I got creamer. Oh, I need K-cups, so I'm down the right aisle. But I only use a certain one, and let me see if they have it. They don't have it, but I still have to go. Oh, I'm like not even in the camera, but I still have to go to another store, so I'm gonna go grab some K-cups from there. I need eggs and Cliff Bars, so that is it. That's all I'm grabbing from here, because they don't have my coffee. I usually get the Pete's one, but it's $15.99 for that, and there's only 22 in there, and the one that I get from Meyer is a lot cheaper than that. Well, actually, I think it was on sale when I got it, so I don't know. Maybe they are usually that expensive. I really don't remember, but I usually only just get the Pete's dark roast, but they don't even seem like they have it anyway. So yeah, that's the kind of coffee that I get. And then I have to go and get some granola bars they have. Yes, this is mine. This is the one that I get. So I could just pick up this one, because I do have a little Keurig thing that I can just scoop out and put them in here, but the cups are just so much easier. But I'm just gonna pick up this. So this is the Major Dixon's blend, and yes, I love this coffee. It's so good. It's my favorite coffee, so I'm gonna pick up some of that. Okay, and then I get the baby these little Zevia Kids. They're like 0 sugar, 0 calories, like pop waters kind of things. So I'm gonna pick her up one of these ones, and then actually I want this one. Yeah, I'm gonna pick her up this one, and then I'm also gonna pick her up, since they're on sale for 2 for $7, I'm gonna pick up this fruit punch one, and that one's the fizzy apple. So I'm gonna pick her up those, and then what else? She has these at home too. If you guys have kids, these are the hydrating juice waters. This is the apple grape one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab some Cliff Bars. It doesn't seem like they have the ones that I usually get. I just get like the chocolate chip ones, but these are the chocolate brownie ones. Never got the iced oatmeal cookie ones before, so I think I'm just gonna wait until I get to the other store, unless, oh, they have these organic good and gather organic chocolate chip cookies. Anyways, they have these Good and Gather organic chocolate chip granola bars, so I'm gonna grab these. But I'm gonna grab the other box because those seem like they're opening. So yeah, these look just like the Cliff Bars. Hopefully the baby will like them, because she's always eating the Cliff Bars. So, but yeah, I usually get the Z-Bar ones. I'm done shopping. I'm getting some Starbucks before I leave. So yes, getting some Starbucks, and then I'm going back to my mom's house. So yeah. Can I do a venti iced caramel macchiato, but with like very little ice? And then like, can I add sweet cream into that?
Sweet cream?
And then 2 pumps of vanilla.
You want just 2 or do you want 2 extra?
2 extra.
The size is about like 4 normally.
Yeah.
So yeah, it'll be good.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have a name for your order?
Kia, K-I-A. I got my coffee. Just waiting for it to be made. So. You guys, coffee makes me so happy. Like, it's such a gloomy day out. If I can put it on there. Like, do you see how gloomy it is outside? It's very gloomy. So, yeah. Coffee is definitely making my day. Thank you. Thank you. Yay, got my coffee. You guys, it is snowing out. Like, we haven't had snow all year yet. We had like a couple inches, but it like melts and goes away like the next day. But it's snowing and I'm not happy. Like, why does it have to snow? But anyways, I am done grocery shopping. Oh girl, even work. Okay, but yeah, I'm done grocery shopping. I got me some Starbucks. Let me get my camera right real quick. Okay, got me some Starbucks, and hold on y'all, my lips are a little dry. I gotta put some lip gloss on. I'm trying to drive at the same time because this purse is so huge I can't find nothing in it. Oh my goodness. But yes, I got me some Starbucks, so really excited. I love it. Haven't had Starbucks in a couple days. So yeah, really needed some coffee. I've been so tired and exhausted, but I got my coffee. So if you guys want to know what I get, my favorite drink that I get almost every time I go there is a iced caramel macchiato. Very light ice, like little to no ice. A splash of sweet cream and 2 extra pumps of vanilla. So try it. I'm gonna put y'all on. It's so good. So good. My mom watched the baby while I went to go do some grocery shopping because the baby was asleep and it was time for her nap anyway, so she's probably still asleep. Like when I get there, she'll still probably sleep. But yeah, it's 3:28. My mom has to go to work at 5, and yeah, I'm just doing some errands. It's freezing. It's snowing. Like, it's snowing out. I think we're supposed to get a really bad storm. We're supposed to get like 11 inches of snow. So yeah, I'm probably gonna head home because it's freezing out and it's cold, and I do not want to be driving this. I do not like snow. I don't like snow at all. So yeah, I'm about to go home and probably get some nice warm pajamas on. I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm gonna make some goulash. So yes, I'm so excited, you guys, because I don't eat ground beef anymore. So I get like the Beyond Beef, the Beyond Burger, whatever, all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna do it with that meat instead. All you gotta do is just season it up right and you're good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna make my goulash and then I'm gonna show you guys that a little bit later. But yeah, like the mood right now, the vibe right now that I'm feeling is go home, light some candles, put some PJs on, some warm, comfortable pajamas on, turn a movie on, get some popcorn, and make a dinner, and just relax for the rest of the night. I might have some wine later, which I did grab some wine. It's so good, and I'm into sweet wines. All of my coworkers love dry wines, besides I think 1 or 2 of them. But yeah, I really like some sweet wine. So this is really, it's like not too much sweet, but it's like the perfect amount of sweet, and it's like I think 13% alcohol, so it gets you right. But yes, I am pulling into my mom's house, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys in a second, probably once I'm back at home. Look, you guys, my mom has all her presents still. She didn't do Christmas yet, but her Christmas tree is so pretty. But all these presents are for me, you already know. So yeah, her wrapping skills definitely beat my wrapping skills. I don't even know what I'm doing when I'm wrapping presents, but I love her Christmas tree. It's so pretty. Hey babes, welcome back to the vlog. So it's been probably like 3 weeks since I picked up the camera, not even gonna lie. I think this video was made around like end of December, early January, and today is January, what is today? Today is January 26th. So yeah, I haven't picked up the vlog. I've just been so busy, and then I'm also making like my hygiene shop with me videos as well. So yeah, I just haven't really picked up the vlog, but I did just get home from work. I wore my hair down today. I'm gonna show you guys what products I use because I get a lot of questions about what products I use for my hair. So today I just kind of, you know, put a little bit of product in it and just left it like that. And I only used one product today, you guys. So let me see. So the product I used in my hair today is this Cake the Curl Shots Totally to Die For Curl Leave-In Cream Serum. Love this stuff. It works so good, you guys. I don't know if my camera's gonna focus. It's been acting so weird. But this is what it looks like. All I did was put this in my hair. I used a lot of it too. Like what I do is, usually I'll section my hair, but I just parted it like this, and then I took it and raked it through. Like I still have some pieces that are pretty damaged. Like as you guys can see, this is just straight. So that's just from me straightening my hair. I kind of just tuck it behind. And then other than that though, my curls are starting to come back. My hair is starting to be pretty healthy. And you know, I'm loving the curls today. I'm loving how my hair turned out because it was not even curling at all. So I love that. And then what I've been doing is I've been using my macadamia natural healing oil. And this is the healing oil treatment. I got it from Marshall's for $12.99. You can also get it at TJ Maxx as well. So this is what that looks like. And what I do with this is every single day, I use it every single day. I put 2 pumps in my hand, rub it together, and then rake it through my hair while my hair is soaking wet. And then I'll go to this other side and do it, and then I'll go over the bottoms, and then go to this side, go over the bottoms, and then I'll add like my leave-in conditioner. So that's what I did. And then usually when I use like the oil, I'll put my hair up in like my little slick back bun or something like a protective style, just to kind of keep my hair off of my shoulders and stuff and soak up all that oil. But yeah, it's my hair today, you guys. So looking cute. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and end this vlog. If you guys watched all the way to the end of the vlog, comment the pizza emoji. If you're a real one and you watched till the end of this vlog, comment a pizza emoji, and I'm gonna give y'all a little tea. So I did just order the Kayali Vanilla 28 perfume, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be in my next vlog, and it's also gonna be in my next Hygiene shopping vlog. I am gonna start doing more weekly vlogs, so yes, I'm gonna be trying to get that situated. But anyways, I'm going to end this vlog here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.